Samin Nosrat's latest book is deeply personal and sometimes feels less like a traditional cookbook and more like an intimate biography. She switches seamlessly between storytelling and instruction. It's the story of how food shaped her life and how her life has shaped the dishes she creates. Each recipe is a reflection of that. Samin treats food as a ritual. The book is chock full of stories of shared meals, family traditions, and recipes passed down, and we are right there at the table with her. Teaching, of course, is ever present and embedded into every chapter. There are charts, options, and decision tools that help you choose what to make based on context, mood, or season, rather than just listing recipes. It's rare when a great cook is also an exceptional teacher, and to me, Samin is both. This is a one-of-a-kind book and comes highly recommended.